we have a special guest. Now, the U.S. government has a few questions.
Luther, I barely know him. He gave me food one time.
Who are you working with here on Earth?
I'm not working with anyone, Luther.
Don't tell him nothing, Superman. I have no family or nothing.
Luther, don't do this.
You eating my food was a great honor, Superman.
No.
Got lucky on that one.
No, Luther, don't do this. Please.
Let's try another question, shall we, Superman?
Luther, don't do this.
Who raised you as a child?
I can't.
I believe in you, Superman.
No.
Don't tell him nothing.